Hi guys. The starting level in Candy Crush Jelly is 5129. That's a pink cupcake caramel level with liquor schlocks and eating flowers and cotton candy. The little human just went down for a nap. We had church and then we went on a walk and then ate lunch. I thought May was going to warm. So far, May has been very wet and cold, but the weather is changing this week, so it's coming. It sucks though because if I wear thinner pants, my butt hurts worse, and summer is coming up. So yeah. Hopefully we can get it figured out and I can actually be in my wheelchair comfortably all day long. I'll be in my wheelchair all day anyway because I like moving myself around. It's just not as comfortable. I'm going to go do something. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. So little human just left with her parents. The house feels so ridiculously empty. I'm bored now. Actually, I have a ton of work to do, and there isn't an excuse not to do it now. I'm fine. I am my own boss, but I prioritized being an aunt first. Now that she's gone, it's back to being an adult. Or maybe I should go shopping. I don't know. But in the Disney Magic Kingdoms game, I finally got Mama Coco. That's a long time coming because I have literally wanted her since 2021, or whenever the Coco event happened. Next up is another Hercules event. So it's bringing his parents in. Zeus and the mom. I am going to go shove banana flakes through my tube. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. It's about to get hot. Today is the last day, rain, which it's not raining. So yeah, I'm excited. It's about time we have nice weather. However, the insurance hasn't gotten back to us about which company is covered for my wheelchair repairs. I ordered some new armrests in like November, but apparently the insurance was behind on approving stuff that by the time they got to my request, the motion wasn't covered by insurance anymore. And now I need a new wheelchair cushion. We have called them multiple times to find out which company is covered by insurance, and nobody is getting back to us. I really don't want to start the summer season with armrests that could cut my elbows open. My dad has filed the edges down because they are broken, and I cut my arm on my armrest already, and then it was winter and I wore long sleeves ever since. But now it's sunny and warm and I don't necessarily want long sleeves every single day. So I need some new stuff that I cannot live without on my wheelchair. Rant over. I am going to shove banana flakes into my stomach. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. I'm actually sitting outside-ish. Is the garage outside? I'm not sure. But yeah. It's a little chilly because it's super windy, so I'm sitting in the garage. However, I'm going to go back inside to film because it's super windy. Are you confused? I'm confused. Anyway, I just got done watching Clifford the Big Red Dog, the movie. If I went inside that tent, I think I would have wanted the little giraffe that laughed, or maybe a baby elephant. We had a baby elephant in 2012, but then that elephant died from an elephant sickness or something when she was 3 years old. And now they are expecting another baby elephant in 2025. My favorite animal is an elephant. And I think my niece likes elephants, which is kinda amazing, because I did her baby shower on this side, in baby pink elephant. Laugh out loud. It was super fun and adorable, and I hope that as she gets older, she will continue to like elephants. My grandpa actually got an elephant wind chime thing, and he said if I could say elephant, then I could keep it. Someone said, "Oh, she cannot say that, that's a hard word." Being the Kendall I am, I turned to my grandfather and said, "Elephant," as plain as day. And so he gave me the wind chime. Elephants are just so fascinating, and yeah, I do like other animals too, but I think elephants and dolphins are definitely my favorites. I showed my niece dolphins the other night, and she said, "Wow." So I guess she likes dolphins as well. It was super cute. I'm going to go to something, and that's all, folks. Hi guys. So it's 77 according to the app, 88 according to our thermometer that is in the direct sunlight. It's windy. And yes, I am wearing black because it's my third favorite color. So yeah. I thought the Hercules event started today, but that's next week. A tapper event started today. Basically, it's when you tap stuff in the Disney Magic Kingdoms game. And you win stuff. There are 3 going at once and they're kinda together but not really. I don't really participate in tapper events, well. I try to hit at least 1 milestone, because it's easy, and then I'll try to get more milestones, but I usually get the first one. I don't understand how people complete any of the events without sacrificing real money. I really don't. I just love the game. So I am going to go do something, and that's all, folks. Hi guys, so the ending level in Candy Crush Jelly is 5148, and that's a green monkey level with 4 screens. Each monkey has its own screen, and they don't even give me enough moves. Actually, I bet you, the people who make the game probably play the levels, and whichever game has the lowest moves, that is what they go with. So you have to literally make the candies fall exactly how the developers did it. Now I might be totally wrong, but that's what I think. It is probably wrong. Nobody actually knows unless they work for King Games. But I am going to end the vlog here. Thumbs up and subscribe and check out my Instagram. And that's all, folks.